Ignore the sound in the background. So this is the Snapmaker U1 that I purchased in the Kickstarter campaign. And what it's doing now is unloading the filament. But I wanted to zoom in on these tool heads because I want you to see that I have laser engraved each one with a 0.2 millimeter label. What I did was I purchased additional tool heads when I bought the Snapmaker, so I wouldn't have to open up the tool head every time I wanted to change the nozzle. The 0.2 millimeter nozzles just came out a couple of weeks ago, just got them delivered. They were pre-ordered with the purchase. And I'm now going through the process of removing the 2 millimeter tool heads and replacing them with the 0.4 millimeter tool heads, and just to show you the speed of the process. I recommend, if you can afford it, to buy additional tool heads so you can preset these things up, and all you got to do is swap them out. So right now it is unloading filament. This is going to be the same whether you disassemble your tool head and replace the nozzle or not. So adding this time is not important. I'm going to, while it's doing that, I'm going to remove the screws, or unloosen the screws on the plugs and get ready to take these things off. So I'm going to pause for right now while it's unloading filament, and I'll come back once the filament is reloaded. I have batteries.